Welcome to the incredible journey through the history of our planet. Today, we're going to travel to a cold period of Earth's history, the Ice Age. Get ready to explore how glaciations drastically affected our planet and shaped life as we know it today. When we talk about Ice Age, it can be tempting to imagine a single freezing period of Earth's history. However, the reality is more complex. In fact, the Ice Age, also known as an Ice Age, does not refer to a specific time, but to a series of ice ages that have occurred over the past billion years. Each of these glacial periods saw vast areas of the planet covered in thick layers of ice, known as inland scissor ice caps. These huge masses of ice formed due to prolonged global cooling, caused by a complex interaction between geological, oceanographic, atmospheric, and astronomical factors. The largest and most recent of these ice ages, known as the Great Glaciation or Pleistocene Glaciation, began about 2.6 million years ago. During this period, huge ice sheets expanded from the poles, covering much of North America, Europe, Asia, and South America. Within the Great Glaciation, there were cycles of glaciations, when ice sheets advanced, and interglaciations, when they retreated. The last glaciation ended about 11,700 years ago, starting the current interglacial period, known as the Holocene, in which we live today. Understanding the Ice Age and its cycles of glaciations and interglaciations is fundamental to understanding how the Earth's climate changes over time, and how these changes affect life on the planet. You might be wondering, what was the impact of these glaciations on Earth? The answer is significant. Glaciations profoundly shape the Earth's surface, altering its relief, affecting its ecosystems, and influencing the evolution of life. Lakes formed by melting glaciers, known as proglacial lakes, are another striking example of the impact of glaciations on Earth's geology. A famous example is Canada's Great Slave Lake, which is the deepest lake in North America. In addition, glaciations dramatically affected life on Earth. As glaciers advanced, habitats changed and living things had to adapt or migrate. This spurred the evolution and spread of several species. And of course, glaciations also had a profound impact on the Earth's climate. During periods of glaciation, the global climate was much colder, with less CO2 in the atmosphere. This has important implications for our understanding of current climate change. Ultimately, glaciations shaped the Earth in ways we're still just beginning to understand. Every sheet of ice, every carved valley, is a window into the distant past and a lesson about our planet's future. With the advent of glaciations, life on Earth faced unprecedented challenges. The creatures that populated Earth during these ice ages had to adapt to extreme conditions, and in the process they evolved in fascinating ways. Life during the Ice Age was not limited to woolly mammoths and saber-toothed tigers, despite being some of the most iconic creatures of that period. An incredible variety of species adapted to these frigid times, including Homo sapiens, that is, ourselves. Let's go back to the image of woolly mammoths for a moment. Imagine these graceful giants covered in thick fur to resist the cold, with enormous curved tusks. But these animals weren't just cold-adapted. They were an essential part of the ecosystem, helping to keep the soil fertile through their grazing and migration. Humans who emerged during this period were able to survive and proliferate despite hostile conditions. We used tools, master fire, and developed warm clothing. In a way, our roots as an innovative and adaptable species were planted in the Ice Age. Flora also played a crucial role, with hardy plants colonizing the glacial tundra. Mosses, lichens, and grasses were the unsung heroes that helped keep life thriving under the harshest conditions. Ultimately, Ice Age life is a testament to the resilience of the natural world. Through adversity, life finds a way, and in the process, it weaves an incredible story of adaptation, evolution, and survival. While the Ice Age is fascinating, it didn't last forever. Climate change, driven by complex astronomical phenomena, including wobbles in Earth's orbit and our planet's tilt, has gradually brought an end to this frigid epoch. The melting of massive ice sheets has had a tremendous impact on our planet. It created vast inland seas and influenced weather patterns and ocean currents. It is also the main cause of the sea level rise we are currently experiencing. At the same time, the end of the Ice Age triggered a flowering of life. Forests expanded, animals migrated to new habitats, and humanity prospered, inventing agriculture and building the first civilizations. But the end of the Ice Age also serves as a reminder. Climate change has the power to reshape our planet in unimaginable ways. We as a species must learn from the past and work to mitigate our impact on Earth's climate to protect our future. And so we conclude our journey through the Ice Age, a time of immense ice sheets and cold-adapted creatures, but also an age of resilience, adaptation, and innovation. A time that serves as a reminder of the wonder and fragility of our planet. Exploring the Ice Age helps us understand not only our past, but also possible directions for our planet's future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. Keep exploring, and until next time.